What up, YouTube? My name is Vic. I am the Brooklyn Watch Guy. If it's your first time on my channel, this channel is all about watch buying, collecting, unboxings, and reviews, which I define as $1,000 or less. If that's your thing, I invite you to stick around, watch the video. If you like it, subscribe, hit the like button, and don't forget that notification bell so you know every time I put a new video up. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. This is my first pickup of 2022. And I just want a disclaimer. I had already unboxed this. I have to refilm the video because I had audio issues. I still want to bring you guys the content. So, I already know what's in there. Well, obviously, because I bought it. But, the actual packaging has already been cut. It's open and all that stuff. But I wasn't going to put out something with bad audio. So I wanted to redo it and give you guys good content or decent content. So without further delay, let's see what's in this package. All right, ladies and gents. So as you can see, packaging has already been cut open. So let's just get straight into this. I don't know. Some of y'all may know what brand uses these shaped boxes. Some of you may not. But time is what you make of it. And here we have it. It is a Swatch. And this is the Swatch NASA. Swatch is a cool brand, and they've really been growing on me as of late. They have a lot of different things going on, a lot of different themes. And when I saw this one, I saw this like maybe around November of last year. Pretty cool. It's got the NASA letters there, and it gives you a breakdown of the definition and meaning of it. Look, I'm a big kid at heart. I've been to Kennedy Space Center. I absolutely loved it. I went a couple years back. I'm actually hoping to go again this summer. I'm just a big kid, man. Who doesn't love space? I mean, who didn't want to be an astronaut when they were a kid? So going to Kennedy Space Center, man, that was a bucket list thing for me. Um, you know, Maybe not a bucket list for most people. Most people probably want to go to Paris or Rome or places like that. Nah, man, for me, it was Kennedy Space Center. Obviously that's on the list of bucket places, but I got to check that one out, and man, it was a great time. So usually anything with NASA branding, I try to go after. So there's a few other pieces that I want to pick up with this branding on it, but you can see it's just a regular Swatch. There's nothing really special about it except for the branding. It's got the standard battery hatch, so you can see the movement because it's kind of clear. I actually thought this was white when I picked it up, but now it's kind of like translucent, which is cool. I'm not mad. Time's already set. A little hard to see the dial on camera. It is kind of like it's got a high polish. The dial, it's really got a high polish on it, but in light, it's actually very easy to see. Right now, my studio is a little dark, and my camera lights are kind of reflecting on it, so you're probably not going to see it that clearly on camera. I did set the time because, like I said, I did already unbox this prior, so this is just a reshoot. But other than that, I don't think I'm going to do a full review on this just because it's a Swatch, and not a knock on them, but their watches are pretty simple. They're all pretty much the same too. The only thing that's different is the uniqueness of the watch itself, the design. And this is what I really really like about the brand. They have anything to fit your flavor. It's just whatever you like, they probably have. And they currently came out with a new line for the Peanuts. And look, I grew up on Charlie Brown Christmas and those things. And I've been looking at some of those, and don't be surprised if I pick them up. Whether or not I put those on the channel, maybe, you never know. Maybe for the content, I'll probably put, should I pick them up, I'll probably put those in the channel. But yeah, I don't think I'll be doing a review. I reviewed the System 51 because of what it is and the uniqueness of it, and that's why I did the review on that one. But I mean, I think any of the Swatch, like I have another Swatch upstairs that's a quartz, and I know it's the same watch, so I'm not gonna review it. But enough rambling. Let me put this guy on my wrist. Give you guys some view on wrist, so you guys see how. So this is what it looks like on my wrist. It's very lightweight, low profile. It's comfortable. The brand And this is what I hate with Swatch, is this proprietary band that they use. I hope that this band is sturdy and lasts a while, because I mean, I don't know if I'll be able to find a replacement, and this one is unique. So, you know, without that, it's just another watch. You know, a plain Swatch. You know, the band is what makes it, because that's where the NASA branding is. It's not anywhere else on the watch. The dial has nothing on it. It just has the Swatch logo in Swiss. That's it. But, you know, here it is on my wrist. Y'all see how it looks. Like I said, man, I'm a big kid at heart, and I know there's probably other big kid at heart out there. I don't regret buying this. I'm going to wear it. I'm going to enjoy it. And with that said, I'm going to end this one here. This was just a quick unboxing video. Do not look for a full review on this watch. And I will see y'all on my next one. Peace. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Vic, the Brooklyn Watch Guy. If you like my videos, hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know every time I put new content up. Peace.